Hello students, welcome back to Mudassir Academy. In today's class, I'll be solving a very important concept from the numerical methods, that is the Taylor series method. The problem here is from Taylor series method, find y of 0.1 considering up to 4 degree term if y of x satisfies the equation dy over dx is equal to x minus y square, comma y of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so very important problem which has been asked in the university papers. So first let's write the formula for Taylor series. We'll do step by step so that you don't lose any marks here. Okay, so please don't skip any part and practice along with me. Now the Taylor series is, I write the series here, y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught, that is y dash differentiation, plus x minus x naught the whole square over 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught, plus x minus x naught the whole cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught. And since in the question clearly find y of 0.1 considering up to 4 degree, means you need to differentiate 4 times. So plus x minus x naught whole raised to 4 upon 4 factorial y4 of x naught. Okay, so in solving the problems here, initial value problems in numerical methods, especially Taylor series method, we have done some problems earlier also, so those problems also very equally important. So please do refer the playlist and find these problems and solve it. Okay. Now here, if you see in Taylor series method, always whatever is given, no, see dy by dx is taken as y dash equals x minus y square. So we take it as y dash to make the solution simple. So we have y dash is equal to x minus y square. Next, compulsory this condition they need to give in any problem, that is y of 0 is equal to 1 means y of x naught is equal to y naught, the initial values, that is implies x naught is equal to what, 0 and y naught equals to 1. We have to start solving with these values. This will be compulsory given in any problem. Okay, so we have y dash and we have what are given, x naught and y naught. Fine. Next let's put here step by step we go. So we have that implies y of x is equal to y of 0, because obviously x naught is 0, plus x minus 0 x only into y dash of 0 plus x square over 2 factorial into y double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of 0 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial into y4 of 0 plus so on. And since we are required to find only up to the 4 degree, so that's enough. Okay, please do write it. So this is actual series for the given question up to 4 degree. Now we need to only find the values of y of 0, y dash 0, y double dash 0, y triple dash and y4. Put here and get the answer. That's it. Very, very simple. Okay, but your differentiation should be correct. Okay, so please do practice the differentiation. The more and more problems you practice, the more and more perfect you will become, because confidence only increases when your hand moves, not merely by watching. So please do practice it along with me, so that you become more and more confident. Now since we have to find y of 0, y dash 0, or y double dash 0 and y triple dash y4 0. So the first value is already given in Taylor series, that is here see y of 0 is equal to 1. This is the first value. Okay, y of 0 is 1. So I'll write here first value is we have to find y of 0 is 1. We already know. Done. Okay. Next is y dash. What is y dash? Y dash is equal to x minus y square. That implies y dash of 0 will be, what is initial x? 0 only. The same value, x naught and x both are same 0, minus 1 square. That is y naught and y same, that is 1, that is equal to minus 1. That implies we have y dash of 0 equals minus 1. So please do underline this values. Okay. Each and every step, if correct, carries marks. Fine. So we have found, okay, here this, let's underline this also. Y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash of 0 is equal to minus 1. Fine. Next, y double dash is equal to, simple, differentiate. It's a very simple differentiation here. Differentiate derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 2y square is 2y into y dash. That implies again now y double dash of 0 is equal to, correct, no, derivative of y square is general 2y as it is into differential again y is y dash. Okay, be careful here. Now y, okay, 1 minus 2 into, what is y? Y of 0 is same. It's same only, okay. Y and y of 0 are same, y of 0 is 1. So y is 1 into 1 into y dash and y dash is 0, both are same, so minus 1. So we have 1 plus 2, that implies y double dash of 0 equals 3. Okay, so we have found for y double dash. Underline this also. Fine. Next is we will find for y triple dash. So y triple dash will be equal to, so this is derivative of 1 is 0. I take minus outside because when we are differentiating 2y into y dash, it becomes a product rule. Okay, so minus outside bracket, see first function is second function, as you know, derivative of first into second function, or you will whatever, derivative of first into second function is keep first function as it is, differentiate the second function, plus keep the second function as it is and differentiate the first function. So here also 2y as it is, differentiation of y dash is y double dash plus y dash as it is into differentiation 2y is 2y dash. So this will be now minus 2y into y double dash minus 2y dash square. Okay, so that implies therefore we have y triple dash of 0 is equal to, so put the values here, y as I told you minus 2 into y of 0 and y of 0, y and y, see because same only, y is equal to 1, so that means y of 0 is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1. So 1 into y double dash means 3 minus 2 into what is y dash square, y dash is minus 1, so it is minus 1 the whole square. That implies we can write y triple dash of 0 is equal to, what is that? It's minus 6 minus 2, it's minus 8. Okay, done. Now the last derivative y fourth. So we have y fourth differentiation is equal to, now we differentiate this, again take minus outside. Okay, 2y into, this will be product rule here, first 2y as it is, derivative y double dash is y triple dash plus y double dash as it is, derivative of 2y is 2y dash. Okay, done. Minus again differentiation of, see what's that, y, it is what, minus 2 into y dash square, derivative of y dash square is 2 2s are 4, 4 into y dash into y double dash, again the chain rule, correct, 2 2s are 4 y dash, because derivative of x is 10 is n, x is 10 minus 1, so 2 as it is, 2 into y dash takes to 2 minus 1, so 2 to the 4 y dash into again derivative y dash is y double dash. Okay, double derivative. Therefore, this will be again equal to, now let's simplify this. See here, minus 2y double triple dash and here. Okay, so this will be minus 2y into y triple dash, and this again minus 2y dash y double dash, here see minus 4y dash y double dash, so minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, minus 6 it's y dash y double dash, y dash y double dash. Therefore y 4 of 0 is equal to nothing but we can write this as minus 2 into, what's y, y of 0 both are same, it's 1 only. Okay, so y triple dash means y triple dash of 0, y triple dash is minus 8 minus 6 into, what's y dash, y dash is minus 1 into And what's y double dash? Y double dash is 3. Correct. So minus 16 and minus 18. So we have plus 16, sorry, minus 2 into minus it is plus 16 plus 18. So 16 plus 8 is nothing but 34. Therefore we get y4 of 0 equals 34. Okay, step by step. You won't lose any marks. So y4 of 0 is how much? 34. So we got all the required values which we need here. Therefore the Taylor series is given as, therefore implies y of x is equal to y of 0 is what? Y of 0 is 1 plus x into here, sorry, here x into what is y dash of 0? X into y dash of 0 is minus 1 plus x square by 2 factorial is 2 only, directly, into y double dash 0 is 3 plus x cube by 3 factorial is 6 into minus 8 plus x is to 4 by 4 factorial is 24 into how much? It is 34. So on. That implies the Taylor series is given as y of x equals to 1 minus x plus 3x square over 2 and 2 3s are 2 4s are minus 4x cube. See, 2 3s are 2 4s are by 3, correct? No, 2 3s are 2 4s are, and this will be 34 by 24. So we'll get 34 divided by 24 is equal to 17 by 12 plus 17 by 12, 12x raised to 4. This is the final answer. So the Taylor series expansion for the given question, that is, the given question is dy by dx is equal to x minus y square. For that, the series expansion is given as 1 minus x plus 3x square by 2 minus 4x cube by 3 plus 17 over 12 x raised to 4. That's the answer. But it's not incomplete. Why? Because we have to find what? 0.1. So that implies y of 0.1 is equal to 1 minus 0.1 plus 3 into 0.1 the whole square over 2 minus 4 into 0.1 the whole cube over 3 plus 17 by 12 into 0.1 whole raised to 4. So let's check what the answer is using calculator here. 1 minus 0.1 plus fraction, because the fraction here 3 into bracket 0.1 square over 2, again plus it is minus that, yeah, minus again fraction 4 into 0.1 whole raised to cube, so it's cube right here, cube over 3, again lastly plus 17 into 0.1 whole raised to 4 over 12 is equal to, so getting the answer as 0.9138083. So that is coming as what? Right here the answer is equal to 0.9138083. But if you see the dimension, correct up to 4 decimal, they are not mentioned here, okay, for Taylor series find, okay, so equation. So sometimes they mention here, okay, correct up to 4 decimal places, they are not, so leave it. So we can write the answer as, therefore we can write y of 0.1 equals to 0.9138. That's the perfect answer. That's all. So that's how it is done. Okay. So y of 0.1 equals 0.9138. So sometimes they mention up to 4 decimal places, usually 4 not 3. So 4 means it is 0.9138. That's the answer. 5 means 0.91381. That's the answer. That's how it is solved. Taylor series method, a very easy method in numerical methods, but you need to practice a lot to get the answers 100% correct. So I hope you will practice this problem, along with this practice the other problems in the playlist and from other textbook, okay, to become more and more perfect in this topic, because it is a sure shot 6 7 marks question in numerical methods in engineering mathematics. So that's all for today's video. I'll come up with more problem like this on other numerical methods in upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and classmates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.